Set of 4.
And again, all players are using clubs that conform to USGA standards and specifications. A 48-inch total club limit measured at the 60-degree address angle. So these clubs can be played on tour, men and women here. Just a classic setup, classic swing. Just smooth as silk. Oh, that took a huge bounce.
That was a huge first bounce on the left side.
It's not enough. It's at about 385. 384 officially.
That's her fastest ball speed right there. And again, we'll see a little close up here on her legs. There it is.
Almost 400. 398. Ooh, this might catch that right side speed slide.
That last one was her fastest of the night at 178.